Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, March 23rd, 2009. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 22 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Good evening, junkies. We opened up this morning right around 783.50, and as you can see, we just kind of traded sideways, chopping around the opening price there for about 15 minutes or so. We actually got a signal right here to go long. That signal produced our first target as it moved up to the overnight session highs, but it did not follow through. It bounced down off that, and we got stopped out of our second position. Ended up losing 2 ticks on that trade. As it fell through, we got a signal to go short. That signal did trade down to our first target and our second target for a total of 11 ticks. And as we came back off that trade, we got a signal, busted through our overnight highs, our yesterday's highs, came down, pulled back to that level, got an entry signal to go long. That signal produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 12 ticks. And from there we were off to the races. The markets just continued to trade higher throughout the day. We had very strong internals, so taking trades to the short side today were high risk trades anyway, just to where the market internals were. But for these video purposes, we show you all the signals. We did come down and get a signal to go short. This, as you can see, did not produce targets 1 or targets 2. It was straight 14 ticks against us on the 2 contracts, 7 ticks each, so we got a full stop out on that particular trade. But on the 11 o'clock we did get a signal to go long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for a total of 8 ticks. And right before the lunchtime dead zone, we got a signal right here to go short. We produced our first target, but we got stopped out of our second, so we ended up losing 2 ticks on that trade. So no trades during the dead zone, although there was opportunities, but we do not officially take any trades during that time period. Coming out of the dead zone, we got a signal to go long right here, filled, and we got 3 ticks movement to the upside, so we got out of our first contract, but we got stopped out of our second, so we lost 2 ticks on that particular trade. It's traded down to, again, got a signal to go short. That signal did produce targets 1, did not get enough of a move down here to get to our second target because we were coming off of a fairly large swing here. So our second signal, as this thing just moved sideways and actually bounced up, we actually got stopped out up here on our second contract. Coming off of that stop out, we did get a signal to go long. That signal's produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 13 ticks to the upside, and then we just basically continued trading higher into our 3 o'clock hour where we stopped, and the market continued to rally throughout the day. So all in all, kind of a strange day. You know, when we have these big gaps up, these professional gaps, sometimes there aren't a lot of ample opportunities. Today would have been one of those days that you would have wanted to jump on and just you know, tried to hold to the long side as much as you can and only take the long signals because of our extremely high breadth readings. Our advanced decliners were off the charts, and it was just one of those days that was very bullish. But nonetheless, taking all the signals in the format that we do, we had 9 trades and was able to accomplish 22 ES ticks today. So I want to thank you for watching, and for more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.